In this video, I will explain how existing charts in PowerPoint are handled when using Empower. This example presentation contains some charts that are not Empower charts. These are either native PowerPoint charts or ThinkCell charts. Initially, they will remain as they are. You can convert these charts into Empower charts. This allows you to use all the functions included in Empower. To do this, click on More in the Empower ribbon and then on Convert Charts. You now have the option to either convert all charts on a slide or all charts in the presentation. If you choose Convert All Charts on the slide, Empower will create a copy of the current slide where all compatible charts are converted into Empower charts. Basically, PowerPoint Native and ThinkCell charts are compatible for conversion into Empower charts. If you convert all charts in a presentation, Empower will create a copy of the presentation where each compatible chart is converted into an Empower chart. In both cases, the original charts are retained, allowing you to easily check the conversion results and compare them with the original charts. Alternatively, you have the option to select a chart and then click on Data Charts in the Empower ribbon. Here you can now select the desired chart type. The chart will be directly converted in the desired Empower chart type without creating a copy of the chart. Thank you for watching and goodbye.